How to fix iOS 18 stuck and updated requested in iPhone and iPad. Let's get started. Start by ensuring your Wi-Fi connection is stable. For that, launch your settings. Navigate to the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network. Give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Likewise, switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next, restart a device. Sometimes a simple restart can get the update moving. Head towards the option General. Then scroll all the way down. You'll find the option of Shutdown. Click on that. You'll get the slider. Slide to turn off, wait a few seconds, then turn your device back on. This can help reset any background processes blocking the update. Lack of storage space can also cause the update to hang. For that, launch your settings, navigate to the option of General, click on iPhone Storage, scroll all the way down. From here, you can delete or offload the unused apps. Just click on the app, you will get two options, upload or delete. You can use any of these options and get the space. Next, turning on airplane mode can help reset network connection that might be stuck. Enable for the option airplane mode, wait for a few minutes and then disable it. This can sometimes help kickstart the update process. If none of these solutions work, reset network settings. Head towards the option General, scroll all the way down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset Network Settings. Now go ahead and type in your phone's passcode over here and continue with the process. With these steps, your iOS 18 update should get back on track. If you are still stuck, try again later or contact Apple support for additional help. Thanks for watching.